Some moves happening.
Section there. Still quite hard though. Yes. Wax is soft on the outside, but it's still very hard. It's a massive lump still there. That lump's still there actually. It's just I brought it forwards, but your ear canal's so narrow at the entrance of getting it through that. So let's see if I can do that for you. It's tricky. Just going the other way. It's going to be still a bit of a struggle for me, but I'm sure we'll get it out somehow. Nah, it's not your fault, it's your bloody wax.
Clinging on.
Because it is moving, it's wriggling, but it's just getting out the entrance. The entrance is so narrow, the wax is bigger than the entrance, so it's like, how do I get it out? I'm going to try and grip this with some pliers. Gripping onto it's going to be difficult. Can't get a grip on it. Actually, get a grip there. Maybe I can scoop it out now. Just getting this out of the entrance now. As soon as you put this instrument back in, so I have to bring it back out the pliers. Cause any pain, that's the only problem. I could yank it out, but the gap there, can I get my instrument over? Alright, this needs to come out, okay? So I'm just going to go a bit deeper this hook. There's a little gap at the top, I'm just going to get behind it. I'm going to force your ear canal up, you're going to feel that, okay? I'm sorry, but it has to come out. There we are, I've got it behind it, can I dig in? Ooh, it's like rock. There we are, come on, roll forwards. Nearly there. Just try and keep that still. That's easier said than done. Okay, I've got a bit out. Let's get some more. My tool's literally bending. There we are. Wow.
Unbelievable.
That's huge. Still, you see how hard it is still. So the drops has softened the outer bit, but it's still hard in the middle.
Wow.
So that wasn't suctioning at all.
Wow.
Let's just make sure all of that's out. I do hope so. You just got a bit there as well. Ah, you've got a bit on your eardrum still. Grab that with tweezers and it should come out.
It's made a massive difference to my hearing.
Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, eardrums are healthy, that's good. Tiny speck on the entrance, which we can leave, but because we've done all that hard bit, I'm going to get that out. Just a little speck. I'm laughing to myself because it's so significant, but I'm going to get it. There we are. A little bit there. Yeah, got that out as well. All done.
Fantastic.
Yeah.